Monsoons can be quite challenging for your hair. Sometimes frizzy, sometimes sticky and oily, and at other times dry and lifeless. The hair dabbles between extremes, and we are left clueless about what to do to improve its health. But what if we tell you that you can fight your hair problems with some easy DIY masks? Allow us to tell you about some of the effective hair masks you can easily prepare at home. Methi seeds can fight hair fall and add volume to your hair. It contains compounds that stimulate hair growth and prevents premature graying. To make this DIY mask, soak some methi seeds overnight in water and grind them with a little water to make a thick paste. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and apply the paste from the root to the tip. Let it stay for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. If you are stepping out frequently this season, then you definitely need this hair mask to fight hair fall. Banana contains moisturizing properties which nourish the scalp, and mayonnaise contains essential fatty acids which keep the hair frizz-free. Mash 1 banana and add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now mix them together and apply on the scalp and leave it for 10 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water and let it dry naturally. Amla and coconut oil hair therapy can reduce hair fall and improve blood circulation. Boil coconut oil with a few pieces of dry amla and let it cool for some time. Apply this oil to your hair twice a week and it will soon repair your frizzy and dull hair. If you have an oily scalp and are suffering from hair fall this season, then this hair mask can surely help. Mix 2 eggs with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of honey and apply generously all over your hair. Wash it off with a mild shampoo. Your hair fall may reduce within a few weeks. Yogurt is one of the oldest home remedies for hair care, and we are sure many of you already apply yogurt before washing your hair. Yogurt contains essential nutrients and minerals that protect our scalp and hair, especially during monsoons. If you haven't applied yogurt to your hair yet, then what are you waiting for? Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt and gently massage your scalp while lathering it over your tresses. Let it stay for a while and then rinse it off. So if you are worried about hair this season, choose any of these masks and say bye to all your hair woes. Let us know if these hacks worked for you and do subscribe to SHOWSHA for more beauty tips.